everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Queenacraft design team package, and just coming on to share the items I picked out. And here goes their after service card, and there goes the back, just in case you want to read the information there. And let's jump right in. So first off, I have the nested label dies, and as you know, it always comes in this beautiful packaging. And yes, so there goes the first one. That's called the nested label dies. And I'll just hold this ruler up next to it so you can kind of get an idea of what you're working with. All right, and next up we have the bubble die set. And here we are, and it's a little bit smaller than what I had anticipated, but I'm sure I will work with it. And let's try the longest point there. And you can see that. And go across there. All right, and I did not measure that, but there you go. So you can see that. All right, and then next up we have the blessing word die. And these are several different words here. We have happy anniversary, happy birthday, get well soon. And I really like that one because I really don't have a good get well soon. Good luck. And then this one says wishes best, but I'm sure it's best wishes too. It's not connected, so you can just flip that around once you cut it out. All right, and so I really like these. And then I also have the rose background dies, and this is several different roses here on this background die, and I really like that. Now let me show you how that's measuring there. I want to say it's almost 3.75. You can see it there, and here we go, and you can see that there. All right, and then next up we have, and I really like this one, we have the lace star dies. Isn't that beautiful? I really liked how that looked. And so here goes that size there. You can kind of see how that measures. I want to say it probably should be all the same amount. And then it just goes down from there. So if you want to see the next one. And the next one. All right, and then next up we have the layering letter dies. So these dies here all have background pieces that you can layer onto. And so this one says, "You are my life," which reminds me of like, what is that show? Oh, it's like my favorite show, Twilight. You are my life. And then we have miss you, love you, and then thinking of you. And I thought those looked really nice. I like that bubble letter font on there. Yeah, it's really nice. And then we have the candy box die. So there goes that. It's a little smaller than what I had thought, but I am sure I will get good use out of that. So there goes that. And then it'll probably be about 1 inch across there. So you might be able to get some Hershey's Kisses or something in there. So yeah, so and then I have one last die, which is the hollow flower backdrop die. And there goes that. This is a really nice size die. And it might be almost perfect for an A2 size, 4 1/4. Let's see. And then this, well, it's a little bit over 5 1/2, not too bad. But I really like that as well. These are all the dies that I chose for Queenacraft. I will have my discount code down below so that you are able to have a discount code when you go over there and go shopping. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you come back in about a couple of days to about a week or so, and I will start posting some of the things that I have created. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a blessed day.